Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, July 27. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of the pound yen. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see that the pair ended with 4 in the primary degree here at 148.4, and since then it has started to rally to the upside. We can see in the rally here, it looks to be in a 5 waves impulse with a divergence at the peak, suggesting that this is indeed about to end a 5 waves up from this low. And then soon we should be doing a 3 pullback soon. I can call it completed if I want to, but it may still make one more marginal high before we get this 3 pullback in the wave 2 to correct this entire rally here. Then after that, as long as we don't break below 148.4, we can see for the upside. So we're gonna take a look here at the context of the move as well as possible alternates. And if we go to the daily time frame, remember this is Y and 4 here. So that low over there is this low, Y and 4 here on the daily time frame. So based on this daily time frame, based on this count here, this label, we will be able to construct what will be the remaining labels here, right? This has to be your WX and this needs to be your 3 right here. We can see right here the pullback, it looks overlapping and corrective, suggesting the right side still looks to be on the upside. And so I'm talking about the sell-off from May 31st looks to be corrective structure here. If you mention the extension, perfect 100% extension, right? In this WXY, again, characteristic of a corrective structure. If it is an impulse, it won't be doing something like that. It would be 1 2 3 and then it's going to be extending like this if it is an impulse, right? But it is not. It is 3 swings equal leg, 7 swing equal leg, and bouncing and reacting. So now the reaction from the lows here, like we saw earlier, is looking like a 5 ways impulse. So we are calling wave 4 completed here, but in order for this view to really be valid, technically you do need to break above that previous peak here, and that is to sort of rule out what we call a larger degree correction like this, what is like a larger WXY correction. So for example, if it fails to break to new high, this could be your W here, and then you have another X and then break down again from the Y, right? But we are calling it completed, which is kind of the most aggressive view right now. Confirmation, breaking above the previous peak is going to confirm the view. Now, what will be the minimum expectation? Understanding that we might even do a double correction if we fail to take out the high. Well, the minimum expectation is based on this idea that this rally looks like a 5 waves, and if this is indeed a 5 waves, then I think the minimum expectation is that instead of, let's say, even if we fail to break above the peak, the minimum expectation is, since this is a 5 waves, it will be some sort of ABC like this, and then maybe retest the peak or close on the peak, and then fail to take out the peak and then break down again. So the minimum expectation then is another leg higher. So this could be an A instead of a 1, could be with A, this could be with B, and then you can have a C leg. So another leg higher is the minimum expectation if this is really 5 ways, which it does look like a 5 ways, right? And then if it fails to take out the high, it will end here and then will break down again from there, just like we explained. So that seems to be what we are dealing with right now with the pound yen. Alright, and if you do want to get further updates on the pound yen, you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. So I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.